just got up and got ready. It's a little before 7 right now. We're gonna go down to the bus stop because Animal Kingdom opens at 8 and we get to go in 30 minutes early so we can start riding rides at 7:30. So we're trying to be there right when it opens to do Flight of Passage. And also we're gonna try to book the safari on Genie Plus. But I'll take you along for the day, and I'm just sitting out on the balcony waiting for everyone. And as you can see, it's so pretty out and it's so calm and peaceful. I love this resort so far. I just was able to book Genie Plus and was able to get us the safari from 8:05 to 9:05. So we're gonna go do Flight of Passage for a rope drop and then go straight thereafter. Just got to Animal Kingdom and we're gonna go straight over to Flight of Passage. It says it's a 45-minute wait because we were a little delayed getting up this morning, but hopefully it won't be that long getting on. Just got in line. It's 7:40 now and the wait time says 55 minutes, so we'll see how long. It looks like it's just everyone walking, so hopefully it won't be that long. Yeah, we just got a Flight of Passage and I think the sprayer in mine was like extra strong. I got like soaked in the face. But it was so good. That's one of my favorite rides. It's definitely worth the long wait.
Isn't that cool?
Christine's first time. What did you think, Christine?
It was absolutely epic.
Our first lightning lane is available. We got it for the safari, so we're heading there now to use it, and then we'll book our next one. We're hoping for the Navi River journey. I forgot to mention we waited just under 55 minutes for a Flight of Passage. It was probably between 45 and 50 minutes we waited. Just got onto the safari ride and I'll show you along all the animals we see on it. Species of rhinos, a smaller blue sundial. Just finished up lunch at Rainforest Cafe and we're going to do Expedition Everest with our Genie Fast Pass. We just got off Everest and we came to Yak and Yeti and we all have our food. Brian got the
chicken rice
and then I got a gluten-free option because it's not on the menu, so I'll show you what it looks like. So the dinosaur ride has been closed all morning, but it just opened back up, so we're heading over there to do that now. I think it said a 35-minute wait, so hopefully it's not that long. just waited waited like 45 minutes for Dinosaur, and we have our Genie Plus Lightning Lane for the Rapid Rivers, and it's like 100 degrees out right now, so we're gonna go do that. We just got off the Cali River Rapids. I ended up wearing a poncho because I had to wear my backpack and I didn't want the backpack to get soaked. But it was really nice and refreshing. It definitely cooled us down. We're going back to the hotel now to go to the pool before we have dinner at Disney Springs tonight. We just got ready and we're gonna head to Disney Springs. We have dinner reservations at about 8 and it is a little after 5 now. So we're gonna do some shopping and walk around a little bit before dinner. What'd you get?
I got the Aqua Punch. They didn't have the Canadian apple slushy, so I tried this instead. It's pretty good.
It's good? So Billy, what did you order for your caramel apple?
There's milk chocolate,
Yeah.
peanut butter chips, graham crackers, and Oreo crumbs.
Nice. Bethy, what did you order?
So I got milk chocolate, peanut butter, chips, Butterfingers, and the 50th anniversary sprinkles.
Ooh. Dinner at House of Blues. I honestly was not expecting much from that restaurant. I thought it would just be like a chain type restaurant, but it was actually really good. I definitely recommend it. I got the steak salad. It was gluten-free, which was really awesome. And they also have a separate fryer for the french fries, so they're gluten-free as well. So I definitely recommend going there.